Oh, hello, and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I am your host. Oh, I'm just tucking some discs into this disc box because, well, I'm trying to be organized. Yeah, it's not going well, but I must try. Here's my new button hat. It can go and sit over here. And there's all kinds of things that don't need to be here. Woke up, Coke, woke up, Coke, woke up, Coke. Yeah. Oh, here's that disc I keep saying I'm gonna throw in a box. I'm actually going to toss this up and out of here so it's closer. And here's a spoon. Does not need to be here. Here's a wooden fork. Does not need to be here. Okay, so gather. Oh, here's two screws. I should not have left them here. I should not have, but I did. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's not a mess. It's just not organized as I would like it to be. This desk here. All right. Let's see here. Disc envelope. Stick it in my disc thing. This, I gotta always know where this is. Power supply tester. Power supply tester. You know what I should do now, just because I can and I'm here. I'll turn this on and just give this a little test. 5.22. Pretty okay. I can turn this off. So this here is 64 I've been using to test things with. It has a reset switch. I did not put it in. Do I have any screws in it? I do not. Wait a sec. I was just looking at this. Let me look at this again. Huh. This is an anomaly. This is a version C of the very original board for the 64. What is this? It has an 8-pin video. That's weird. It really is an original 326298, revision A, revision A. That is weird. How did I not notice that before? I wonder if it's been replaced. I didn't do it. Oh, maybe somebody did that to make sure that they could plug into things. Of course, when I look in here, of course, the 5-pin has stuff in it. The other three don't, because they're not really needed, because there was some change to which Commodore people would lie to you about. Endlessly lie. All right, I'm going to set this down here. Ever so gently. Sitting on its end here are two beautiful 1541s. I'm going to unplug them Now, let me make sure if there's something there's not. Oh no. Oh no, what's rattling around? I heard something. I heard something in here. Oh no. I still hear something. Is this even screwed in? Yeah, it is. I don't like hearing things rattling around, because that could short something out, depending. Oh no. I hear it, but I can't find it. Oh, this is supposed to be such a simple moment. My brother calls. Hang on. Alright, so my brother was on the phone there for a moment, and in the midst of that, there was only a couple of screws holding this in. I did open it up, and I found, indeed, this is a screw that would be part of what's holding the circuit board on. Anyway, what I need to do here is pull out a data card and write on it. Device 9. Okay. Get load. Oh, okay, that's all I need to do for this at the moment. Where's the tape? Oh, there's some tape. All right. What is that horrible noise? Another. I just did this. Where are these screws coming from? Oh, well that. Okay, that's one of the ones. It's supposed to hold the frame in. This is a bigger screw. What happened there? Oh, yeah. Look, it's a little screwdriver to hold screws. Let's try this again. Num, 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 num. You get it in. And pull off that screwdriver. Switch to this other one. So this is not completely complete. I mean, it's all fine. It's all working. It's all dandy. All right. And is it ugly? Yes, it is. Okay. There. So now this drive can go on the pile of drives underneath my feet here. But I know that it is good. And this one is one that I put together. Took a white it had a dark drive. It looks silly like that. Anyway, so there. That can go under there. And the tape here, and tools, and cables. Don't need to be right here. I mean, it's nice to have them handy, but they don't need to be right here. They do not. So even though I packed a bunch of these up, I'm going to put these ones, because they're handy and dandy and good, onto the door. What do we have here? Oh yeah. Now here, oh yeah, we have a couple of more power supplies I was testing. And they were fine. 5.19. This is the one I've been using. 5.22. And there should be another plug here somewhere. Is that the one I've already got plugged in? Oh, they get so mixed up here. What do we got here? 5.19, and this is the one. Huh. Okay, well maybe I was using that one. Oh yeah. Okay, so here's my other one that I have been using. But at this moment, it's just sitting up there. 5.24. It's gone up a little bit. Oh well. Should still be fine. So, these power supplies do not need to be here on this here desk either. Oh, they don't. And so they won't be. Oh. They will not. They will not be. I'll just put them up in the chair that I should be able to sit in, but that I can't sit in. Get more stuff off the table here. And this is great. It's Teleterm 64 and telephone modem package. It's a beautiful thing. It doesn't have the disc. I'm sure I can find it somewhere. I'll just tuck that under the table. Oh, look. There's a Datasette case. It's beautiful. And there's another yellowed one over here. I think I was going to do a swap, but I guess I should check and make sure it works first. See? Yellowed. Gross. Gross, gross, gross. Ugh. Set this stuff down here. I shall. Okay, now. Alcohol, good. Screws, good. This is, of course, a 1541 circuit board. That's okay. I wrote on it. It's okay. I'll put that up here because I'm sure I will be needing it. So tools. Things, stuff. More tools. Oh. And the ever popular, oh look, dismounter. And then of course we have more discs, more discs, more discs. Oh. More discs. I need to go through discs. I need to resolve discs. And look, there's something you don't see every day. It's made by Retro Rewind. It's the replacement cardboard that used to come in all the drives. And it says on here, head vibration protector. for use when in transit. Part number 251171-03. But this was made by, if you look online, retrorewind.ca. I think it's actually thicker and better. Is it two of them? Oh! Ooh, I didn't realize. It's three of them. Cool. Well, I should not want to lose that. I will toss it up here. So here we have another disc box with discs that are trying somewhat successfully to fall out. Now what I might do is put some of these in here so I know they're in there, but will I ever find them again? Excellent question. Here, look, it's a brand new box of discs. Never opened, never messed with, never touched. Oh. Alright, I'm going to put those discs there. I did have a bit of an avalanche earlier out there, so I got to figure out what that was. Anyway, things are getting clearer and clearer here. And why would I be clearing this off so well? Because I'm going to bring something up here and put it on here. A very historical piece. And what could that be? Well, we'll see. Perhaps the next time we meet. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.